Hey beautiful, let's begin with our tutorial. I already started with the Wanderbeauty Gold Eye Mask and placed them under my eyes. It says to leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes, so that's what we're gonna do. And we're just gonna let the clock run. Start with the eyes. So this also came in my Boxycharm. This is the Lauralee Los Angeles Party Animal, and this is what the palette looks like. This is super colorful. Like, I've never done an eye look with this bright colors, but I'm gonna dare and play with colors. So let's start. So I did one eye off camera, so let's get started. I already primed my eyelid palette. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here, which is Drinks. That's the name of it. And I'm just going to apply this shade right on my crease. Actually, like all over my crease. So next I'm going to use this flat brush right here, and I'm going to apply this shade right here. It's called Karaoke, and I'm going to apply that right in the center of my eye. So next we're going to go in with this color right here called Hangover. See how the color looks blue, like a dark navy blue with sparkles on it? So this is a brush that I used for my other eye that I already finished. So look, there it is, Hangover. And as soon as I apply it, it's purple. Now I'm just applying this on my outer V. You guys see? It turned purple. There's a lot of fallout. See? I'm also going to apply some on my inner corner. I don't know. So then I'm just gonna drag this same hungover shadow right there on my crease. The shadow a little bit too. Outer V as well, and there's that. Look at all that fallout. So I'm going to go right into bottoms up, and I'm going to apply this right in the center of my eye. Just a tad. Go right back to this shade right here called Drinks, and I'm going to go right into my crease one more time and blend all the colors. There's that. I'm going to use this eyeliner by Emcosmetics, and this is the brush, and this is the brush tip that I'm using. Now this brush tip is really easy to use, and it's a little brush, and it's perfect for beginners. You have more control over the type of wing that you want to create. So for now, I'm just going to do this baby wing right there. I'll be using the Ardell Demi Wispies along with this dual glue. These eyelashes, I love them. To go ahead and do my lash line, so I'm going to go ahead and apply. Let's do hangover again. And now I'm just gonna apply it right underneath my lash line. Okay, so with the same brush, I don't feel like changing to another brush, so I'm gonna go right into drinks. And I'm just going to apply it right underneath that purple color. So there we go, there's that. So next I'm going to be using the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. And this is my first time using this Becca primer. So I just apply a little bit, and since it's a matte primer, I'm just going to apply it right in my T-zone. Just a little bit, not much. That's where I get oily the most. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use two foundations. Now those two did not come with my Boxycharm August box, but I applied this Hudabeauty foundation, and then of course my Armani Luminous Silk foundation also. So I'm gonna mix in them both in the back of my hand. Just going to blend them in with this Real Technique sponge. Set my T-zone, I'm just going to use this Tarte powder. This is the Tarte Smooth Operator powder. I'll be using this. So next, let's contour really quick. Lisa Frank in collaboration with GlamourDolls. This is the Bitten and Bronze Matte Bronzer. And I'll just use this brush to contour. Now this didn't come with my Boxycharm box for the month of August, but you know we have to contour the face a little. For blush, I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. And this is what it looks like. So we're using a muted color because our eyes are already popping. So let's just use this blush. It's really pretty. I like it. And it's very muted. You can barely see it, but it looks gorgeous. To highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use this Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here, and it's called, you see it, the shade right here called El Malecón. Now this came with it was my July Boxycharm. Well, it was one of my Boxycharms that came with. So I love this eyeshadow palette. It's really pigmented, and that's why I'm going to use this shade right here and use it as a highlight. Can you see it? It's pretty, huh? Up with this shade, I'm going to go ahead and use this in my same shade, El Malecón, and I'm just going to use it in my inner corner. I'm also gonna use a little bit right in my brow bone. Last but not least, this came in the box. This is a Smashbox Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Oiled Brat. Perfect. It's like a metallic shade, so this will complete our look. Oh, it's a purplish shade, and it's very metallic. More like a neutral type of girl, so it's rare for me to use this type of metallic liquid lipstick, but hey, why not play with color and makeup? That's what we're here for, right? We have to dare, play, and create. What do you guys think? I'm going to go ahead and apply this Wanderbeauty Unlashed curl and mascara to my lower lashes really quick to kind of complete this look more. Last but not least, to complete this look and use another item from my Boxycharm box, I'm going to go ahead and be using this Ncla So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Pretty. We're done with our look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please remember, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also share this video if you liked it as well. And if you want for me to create more colorful, bright looks, then let me know in the comment section down below. And again, I'm Lisette, and thanks so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.